Hello everyone, today we are here to showcase you E-Invoice add-on developed by Kabeer Consulting for Nigeria location. So first of all, I am going to showcase, brief you about what this add-on exactly do and what solution it used to provide us. So first of all, let me brief about as per the current guidelines of Nigerian government, they want each sales invoice to be verified through the government portal, which is FIRS portal. So now I'm going to tell you how FIRS portal is going to accept the information and how this complete process will work. So first of all, we need to post all the sales invoices which are available in our system to the government FIRS portal. The FIRS portal accepts the sales invoice information only in JSON format. So what system used to do, what you will do is user need to, as a regular process, user will add a sales invoice in your SAP B1 database, SAP B1, and after adding the sales invoice, user need to post the same invoice to the government FIRS portal. So what this add-on used to do, they have through this add-on we have automated this process. User will add the invoice on the system, and system will generate a JSON file for the all the information available for the sales invoice in the system. Through that, system will generate a JSON format on and after that post it automatically to the FIRS government portal. Because the FIRS government portal only accepts the sales invoice information in a JSON format, and they will verify it over there. And for that, a QR code will also get generated for all the information available in on the sales invoice, and the same QR code will get printed on your sales invoice layout. So now I'm going to showcase you the practical process for the same. So first of all, we need to go under the sales module and the sales invoice. So here you can see the sales invoice. We have added one sales invoice over here. So but after inputting all the information on the sales invoice by selecting the business partner, by selecting the item quantity and unit price, everything, we a user need to add the sales invoice document as a regular process which they are currently doing. And after that, user need to click on post e-invoice button, and after that the e-invoice will get posted. The JSON file will get created from the system, and it will get automatically posted to the FIRS portal. Here, one more thing you can see, we have the e-invoice status as well, which is cleared. Cleared means the e-invoice has been successfully posted to FIRS portal. But if there will be any error due to some inefficient information and some inappropriate values, some missing information will be there. So system will show you the error message over here, and the e-invoice status will be not cleared. So this and after that, after clicking on post e-invoice button, the JSON will get generated. Here you can see these JSON files has been saved to your server, so that if you required, you can, if there will be any error, you can check it from here and correct this. So once again, I'll show you by creating an e-invoice, a new invoice. I am going to add a new invoice. So here you can see I have selected the business partner, selected the items, quantities there, unit prices there, everything is there. I have filled, and after that I am going to add this sales invoice. So this sales invoice has been added, and as you can see, so this is a regular process which is done by all the users currently. After this, we just need to click on Post e-invoice button. So here you can see e-invoice posted successfully. You got a notification that invoice has been posted successfully, and the e-invoice status is also cleared. So what system has done, system has created, here you can see previously there were only three files. The one more file has been added. The format for this file will get saved. There will be an invoice number, there will be a date, and there will be the time of generation. Like we have generated 13 hours 02 minutes and 52 seconds. If our system will save the JSON format as well, we can open and check this JSON format. Here you can see the IRN number is available, the issue date is available, and every information related to items. Here you can see the tax inclusive amount, every item and every detail related to invoice is being available in this JSON format. And the same is going to be posted, and this will get automatically posted to our FIRS portal. And for the same, the QR code has been also generated. If we are going to check the QR sales invoice layout for the invoice we have recently created, so here you can see this is the layout, and here is the QR code available on the sales invoice layout. This will get printed over here with all the layouts for which we will post the e-invoice. After this, let me show you the FIRS portal as well. So here you can see this is the FIRS portal through which you can log in through your organization credential, and over there you can go to the signed invoices. And signed invoices, here you can see all the invoices which we have posted. So like here you can see we have posted this all the invoices over here. We have whichever invoice is going to be posted will come under this list. So this is how this exactly works. Like here you can see previously it was showing 18 invoices, and after that when I refreshed it, it is showing me 20 invoices. And this was the invoice which we have just recently generated by creating a sales invoice, and we have posted. This was the invoice which we have created and posted on FIRS portal, and it is showing you over here. We can go to view, and after viewing we can get the details of the invoices, the bill to details. Here you can see the item name, item code, and the amount, whichever. All this is coming over here. You can match the same with the portal. 20 total 27,000, 1 lakh invoice, everything is over here. So you can check the invoice details through the portal. You can download the JSON file from the portal as well through download e-invoice option. So here you can see I have downloaded. So the same JSON file which gets saved on the server, the same JSON file is downloaded from the FIRS portal as well. Here you can see the same information are there, same IRN number is there, each and every detail is there. So this is how the complete e-invoice add-on process works, and com- this is how the complete posting of e-invoice is done. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for your time.